Today we're making fabulous no churn vanilla ice cream. This no churn vanilla ice cream recipe can be made with vanilla extract or with the vanilla bean. Today we're going to use the vanilla extract, but I have the information below the video in the description box if you want to use vanilla beans. Mix 1 tablespoon of vanilla with 4 ounces or 120 mils of whole milk. Pour this into a medium bowl along with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Blend this well and toss in a dash of salt. Let's stick this in the refrigerator for a minute. We're going to beat 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to stiff peaks. And in with our milk mixture. And let's fold this all together. And you can very easily turn this into peach ice cream by folding in 1.5 cups or 12 ounces of chopped frozen peaches. And pour this into a 9x5 loaf pan or a 1.5 quart casserole dish. Something that's freezer safe. This is going to be so good. Into the freezer for 4 hours. Fabulous vanilla ice cream.